Hello planner lovelies, how are you guys? I'm doing much better. If you guys saw my plan with me last week, you know that there was no talking because yeah, I was sick and I continued to be sick. I missed Thursday and Friday of work and I'm still not 100%. So I am pre-filming this. It'll probably go up on the last day of February or the 1st of March. But I wanted to go ahead and get this out there because I am so incredibly excited about, as you could tell from the title, my personal planner set up for March. I don't really, it's green and St. Patrick's Day without being like a lot of Kelly green, even though my little decor right here, a little different. So either way, I'm going to set this over here. This is my personal Recollections planner. I apologize for my nails in advance. I haven't felt well. I haven't done them. So ear infections, sore throat, all that stuff. But in the setup, I did use this paper pad. I got this on clearance at Michael's for like $3 last year. It was their Color Splash collection from 2017. And you can see where I cut some papers out. I just used the greens that were mainly in here. So I did use this paper pad to set up my planner. And I don't know why I'm getting up. I was getting up to move around for some reason. And it's, I don't know, I'm really happy with how it came out. So first up, this is the headband that I got at Hobby Lobby 2 years ago in their St. Patrick's Day section. And as you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, I use these as my planner bands. So this will probably end up on my Erin Condren for the actual week of St. Patrick's Day, but the rest of the month it'll be on here. So, which is causing these doilies to slide out. Guys, isn't it so stinking cute? I'm obsessed. So, like I said, I did use that paper pad. Let's see. Let's start over here in my pockets. This piece of washi was sent to me by Leslie from Run with Craft Scissors on an order that I got from her a couple of years ago as well. This little bow die cut is from JB Planning. These are all stickers from Dollar Tree. All the coins and shamrocks. This is a tag from Michael's that I used for washi. I have some of the washies I used in this setup. Actually, was this from yeah, this was from Michael's at Christmas. And the tassels from Michael's. This washi is from Hobby Lobby. This is from Target, and so is this gold speckle one. So I'm just keeping that up there. Like so. And I do keep it up a little bit higher. And then we have some green page flags, a leaf, sticky notes I got from Walmart. This was made for me by Gina at Watercolor Blooms back when I PR'd for her. These are Wilton doilies that I got on clearance, and I don't remember where I got them. Oh, it was Fred Meyer, a store that we have. It's kind of like a higher end Walmart, super Walmart. And then here we have some Recollection gold stickers, just gold foil stickers. They kind of live in this planner all the time. So the Check It Twice list is from the Target Dollar Spot, but I won that in a giveaway from Miss Anna at A-Loves22. So this is my dashboard. I am debating on whether or not to laminate it, but I like it the way it is. And since I'm only using it for a month, I was like, is there really a point to? So this is some of the Scotch glitter washi. This is a sticker from the Manby sticker book, and then these are Recollection stickers for AmandaK. And then on the back of that, I just glued some of the black paper from this little booklet here from Michael's. It's Recollections Creative Year. It was just a black paper with the gold edge. I glued that here. I used Happy Planner stickers on there. Really simple, right? And this is another paper from the paper pad. This Memories die cut was sent to me in some Happy Mail. This washi is from Target as well. This little guy was sent to me in a Make-A-Wish, and he was just a stamped image. I don't know which collection he's from, but I just colored him with some markers, and then I used some of my glitter gel pens to add some glitter to him and the little puppy. I don't know if you can see it there, but there's a little bit on the puppy's ears and on the banner. And then I used another one of those tags, and then that washi down the side, and then I cut up one of the tags and used a top priority sticker from Mandy, and this is simply a green paper clip with a Dollar Tree sticker, and that was washi taped on the clip. And then the back has a half the doily, some more Recollections washi, this sticker from Mandy, and then some more of those Dollar Tree stickers. They have them every year, or they have an iteration of them. I think I've had these for a couple years. Now we're to my inserts. These are undated inserts. They are printables, and I got them for free from Stickwithmeshop. If you go back in her channel to when she used to do her personal spreads, she has these, and they're set up in a drop box to print front and back. Now, I mispunched the first few, so they're really close, like really close, so I'll probably fix that once I put washi on there and start planning in them. But here they are, kind of punched in the right area. They're not perfect, but I'm happy with them, and I feel like for free, and I'm going to be using this obviously for memory planning, as my divider said it was top priorities of memories. This is a full year's worth front and back. I have no reason for monthly views, so I just didn't print them. But she does have dot grids and a whole bunch of other stuff. So there's my weekly memory inserts. And then this one, I did the tab at the top, and it says write it down. That is a Mandy sticker. This do all the things is a Mandy sticker. And then we have some Dollar Tree washi, some Target washi, Hobby Lobby. This gold doily was sent to me in some Happy Mail or an Etsy order. I don't remember. It was just in my stash. And then we have the horseshoes for luck. And this side is just the other half, or the other like section of that. Less is more is Mandy. The St. Patrick's Day is Mandy. This was Dollar Tree. And then I just have a circle paper clip on the to-do list. And I have some of that black paper, and then I cut this out from a Etsy sticker order, and that's just paper clipped onto some of that black paper, and that's just dividing out the grid and lined paper that came with this. And then I just have one of the plastic dividers back here to keep the paper from sliding into this area. I have nothing in this pocket and nothing in this pocket. I don't typically use those pockets. And then I always keep my Inkjoy Gel 0.7 in this planner for some reason. It's just the pen that I like keeping in the pen loop. So there we go. That is my March 2018 personal planner setup. I don't know if I'll get into the whole traveler's notebook thing, but if I do, I have a feeling it would be similar to this, but I don't know, it just seemed like a bunch of money that, like, I made everything in here, and traveler's notebooks seem like just crazy amounts of money. I'm sure I can make everything as well for them, but I just don't think I'm ready to invest, because the only way that would work is if I went into it like Jasenia from the Planner Sophisticate. Like, she went into that as her main planner, so I could see it if it was my main planner. But my Erin Condren's my main planner, and when I didn't have an Erin Condren last year, I really missed it. So that's just me, and that's all there is to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me and subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully I'll be able to stay on trend and set up my planner a little different every month. But if I don't, I tried to make it springy. I really like this. I like the leaves. I'm a dork, but it's okay. So I'm thinking that since I'm doing this now, I might just go and have to get some more paper pads at Michael's. So we'll see. I haven't been to Michael's in a while, but I will talk to you guys again very soon. Much love to all of you, and bye.